many legendary street food. That Wuhan is one of the major big city. It's one of the famous local breakfast joint. And some chili oil and preserved vegetables. And wrong bite, your tongue will get damaged. And fragrance for a very famous shop. So cool. And if you can't handle yours, and look at all this really crispy, we're inside the guys, what's up? We are live in Wuhan, China right now. This is a birthplace, right, of many legendary street food, and we are going to dive deep into the local eats. This is a place, right, where they are very famous for lots of carbs. Yes, all the food are very carb-based heavy. For starters, let's start the breakfast first. You can see on the streets, lots of cars and lots of vehicles are traveling around. This is the way of life of the local. There's so much people here, right, that Wuhan is one of the major big city. You just gotta be careful when you're walking on the streets. So here we are. It's one of the famous local breakfast joint. We'll be starting with some fried tofu wrapped around rice inside. They have fried it until it's really crispy. Next up, we'll have this sweet dessert made from glitterless rice ball. And the legendary Wuhan hot dry noodle is also known as 热干面 is being served. Be sure to be like me, add plenty of vinegar and some chili oil and preserved vegetables for full local experience taste. The chopstick is also a one-time usage, so it's definitely cleaned. And now let's get ready to dig in our breakfast. Starting first with the dessert, they have made it into like a drink. It's made from rice wine. It's sweet, it's dense, I would say it's pretty nice. Next up is this 热干面. They had actually add lots of sesame sauce inside with a little peanut sauce. Then with all the chili that we make inside, you have to mix it well. As you can see, it's really dry and it's meant to be like that. It's a dry based noodle. It's very nutty and fragrance. Then is this tofu with rice. This is the second carb dish aside from the noodle I just had. And you can feel, right, that this is actually pretty crispy inside. Pretty good to bite, but to be honest, I'm getting full at this point. But let's keep going. This is a soup dumpling. It's called 小笼包. There's meat and soup filled inside. Don't ask me how they do it, but be careful when you're eating it because the soup is really hot and one wrong bite, your tongue will get damaged. After that heavy breakfast, we are going for something even better. We are walking through the streets right now and we are heading for a very famous shop for selling crayfish. But before that, you look at all this street food here. All the street culture is unmatched. It's definitely one of the best places in China to have street food, as the scene is full of vibes. It's very crowded, especially at night, because there's a night supper culture here, and the later it goes, even till like 2 or 3 a.m. in the morning, it's still so packed. And here we are at the shop, and let's start first with some side dish. Some fried potatoes, some beans is being served. You can be sure that all these side dish that we had are actually spicy. The locals really love spicy dishes, so everything inside there's chili here. Then we are having some chicken feet. In China, no parts of an animal will ever go to waste. I've ordered some local fruit beer, and look at this packaging. It is so futuristic. It is so cool. In China, all the supper culture will definitely goes with alcohol. Be it beer or wine, every dining table will have some alcohol. And here's a toast to all my audience, and let's proceed on to the next food. We'll be having some stir-fried cockles with lots of garlic here. It has very strong taste, and I would say it's a great alcohol food. Finally guys, our main dish is being served. This is the famous Wuhan crayfish. It's also called xiao longxia in China. We'll be starting first with the garlic based flavored. The best part, the staff actually helped to peel crayfish for you. This is a premium service, right? This is what I love about China, where the service is top notch. This is actually a red swamp crayfish, but it is actually groomed in the rice paddy, so you can be sure they are actually very clean, and is especially famous in Wuhan area because this is known as the hometown for China crayfish, or rather the crayfish capital. While waiting for the crayfish to be peeled, we are having these charcoal barbecue lamb kebabs. Finally is done. Look at how the plating is being done. It's beautiful, right? If you combine it with the sauce, it's vinegar based, so it's a bit sour, and because it's cooked with garlic, has a very strong garlic flavor, and it's also sweet, something that I really love. We had ordered 2 sessions, so the second version is here, and it's a spicy one. If you can't handle your spice, I doubt you can actually survive here in Wuhan. And once again, we let a waitress to help us peel them because honestly, it's so easy to eat this way. I really love the service here. Finally, all the peeling is done, and look at all this crayfish that's covered in bright red chili sauce. You have been warned, this is really spicy but tasty. For the final snack of this video, I'm stopping by a roadside show, and I want to show you that this is a food that's being made live in front of you. In Chinese, it's called Shaoping, but it's actually a flatbread, a crispy version with lots of ingredients stuffed inside. The outer layer has been fried until it's really crispy, while inside the preserved vegetables are fragrant and flavorful. It's a perfect street food to end the day. Wuhan food culture is seriously underrated. There's so much flavor, so much variety, and awesome street vibes. You definitely need to subscribe to Jay's Journey for more food adventures and travel experience in China.